morning. My name is Keith Verrone with the Verrone lending team of Prospect Mortgage, your nation's largest privately held direct lender. This week's mortgage update is brought to you by Tamar, Verrone at Keller Williams here in the Santa Cruz Valley and covering the greater Los Angeles area. I want to discuss two very important things. That's mortgage rates, because there are some changes when it comes to rates, as well as FHA loans. 60 to 70% of the loans that folks are doing for their owner-occupied residence are FHA loans. So very important updates. Again, the first one being interest rates. If you haven't yet already heard, interest rates have been moving upwards for the past 2 or 3 weeks. We actually had 8 consecutive days of rates doing nothing but going upwards. Within the last 4 to 5 days, they've gotten a little bit better, but still the overall trend has been, up. So there'll kind of be a bit of a wave motion. There'll be highs and lows when it comes to rates, but again, the trend will be upwards. So if you haven't, yet opened up escrow or thought about a refinance, if you've kind of been on the fence, now certainly the time to buy. Getting towards the end of 2011 here, more than likely rates will be closer to 6%. Right now, you can still get a 30-year fixed rate below 5%. So that 1% difference in your interest rate can actually fluctuate your buying power by 10%. So if you're looking to purchase a $400,000 house now and rates go up to 6%, you might have to reduce your buying power all the way down to $360. So something to take a look at. For more information on that, please do feel comfortable contacting me. I can be reached at 661-513-3118. Now, another note on FHA loans. Our credit score requirements for FHA financing has decreased. The benchmark credit score, for the past year, 2 years, has been like 620 to 640. We can now go all the way down to a 580. So if you were turned down in the past, or maybe you thought you wouldn't qualify because your credit is not in the greatest of shape, something to revisit. Take a look at the numbers. Let's see if we can make something make sense for you. With a 580 credit score, that's going to open up a lot of doors for folks. If you haven't yet been in touch with Tamar, contact Tamar right away so you can get out and start looking at property. She can be reached at 661-714-0777. Again, that's 661-714-0777. And again, my name is Keith Verrone with Prospect Mortgage, your nation's largest privately held direct lender, and I can be reached at 661-513-3118. And thank you for spending a few minutes with us here today.